Y'all are now rocking with the As the Blunt Burn Pod Show. Yup.
Foxy Brown. We knew each other in passing, similar people. Became intimate friends. 95, 96, I'm with Def Squad at the House of Blues. We shut the shit, hardcore, hit the stage, shut the shit, rock the house. At the time, I don't know if she was married or not. Rumor has it she was, at that time, dating Kurupt. Now, I'm gonna take you back. That's in that same era of the East Coast, West Coast. He's there. She sees me after the show, go to the hotel, get to the room, bang, shuts the door, pulls my shit down, starts giving me hardcore head. And Foxy had a thing about her. She would look into her eyes. Like, eye contact was her. Now this is Foxy, this is that touch me, tease me, Foxy. Feel me, then caress me. She was very truculent with her head game. Hold on tight. I kid you not. Snot booger bubble head. Ate a I didn't her, but that was our thing. I want to say Kurupt wound up marrying her. He's loving her. Imagine if he would have found that out that night. Il na Foxy. Aye, aye. She's a mainstream artist. Ooh.